Dooby-doo-doo-dooby-doo. Welcome back to this thing. Yes, we are back trying to work with this annoying gingerbread man because Roblox sent an email out saying, "Action required, please update your non-compliant head." I mean, I don't know why this is non-compliant. It's animated, it blinks, it does all sorts of things. Because if I go here, you can see... hang on, I might need to hide... how do I hide? Ugh. Oh, those. So, look at this. It looks up, looks down, looks left, looks right, opens the mouth, winks, blinks. Has all of these different poses, and apparently it's non-compliant. Thank you so much, Roblox. So I have to figure out how on earth and why it doesn't pass validation. So yay! But it doesn't say why. Effective immediately, all new head submissions must include a caged model, defined eye and mouth region, expression capabilities. We have the expression. Right. Eye and mouth region. Oh my goodness, what's going on? And I've just got a buzz. What was the buzz? Oh yeah, Mo just posted. Right. What am I trying to do? There was something on YouTube from... Oh my goodness, what's this? No, go to... E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, R. Right, I'm looking for... Is it Roblox Learn? Is that the one that has it? Videos. How avatar head validation works. Right, where is that? Okay.
Hello! This video is a deep dive into head validation. Heads are the most complex avatar body part, and understanding exactly how validation works can save you time in your creation workflow. This video will cover what is validation and why it's important, how Roblox validates dynamic heads, common issues and best practices when creating and troubleshooting your avatar head. Whether you're a seasoned creator or you just started working with avatar Roblox items, it's important to understand the validation process for assets destined for the marketplace. This video is intended for viewers who are familiar with 3D avatar asset creation and already understand the fundamentals of various avatar components such as base meshes, cages, rigging, facial animation, and more. If any of this is brand new to you, check out these other videos to get up to speed on creating Roblox UGC. Validation is the automated process Roblox uses to check your assets before it can be published to the marketplace. It ensures that your model meets the technical specifications to behave correctly no matter what experience you're in,
which I all
especially
did
when it comes to
fine
animations
beforehand.
and equipping other cosmetics. Why Roblox validates? Like all assets on Roblox's platform-wide marketplace, Roblox heads must meet a set of general requirements just like any other avatar body parts. Appropriate scale, no inverted geometry, meeting texture specifications, and more. Check out the documentation for a comprehensive spec sheet.
Yeah, which I followed.
Since heads are complex creations, heads require additional validation to ensure that the head is dynamic, meaning that the head can animate and equip accessories and cosmetics correctly. How head validation works. So how does Roblox confirm that a head is dynamic? The validation utilizes the head cage to project various points, called landmarks, onto the surface of the head. Using these landmarks,
so if we have a look at Blender, where's Blender? No, these better. Blender's there. I bet what this is trying to say is, hang on, if I hide all joints but allow eyebrow access, make that there's a way of doing this, isn't there? Viewport display, wireframe. Is a modifier. Let's just hide that. So this is the head cage, yes.
the validation verifies that these landmarks move expectedly when your character blinks, smiles, and frowns. If all of your landmarks move as expected for each animation, then the validation for dynamic heads is successful. Common issues and best practices. If you see an error mentioning that the validation could not detect a substantial change in your dynamic head, you should verify that your landmarks and caging is correct. There are a few common issues with validation, where the validation is unable to project landmarks from the cage, or not detecting movement from the landmarks when testing animations.
Should be fine.
Let's dive into the first issue, unable to project landmarks.
Right, so I need to open up a studio. Let me go to, oh, what did I? Sorry, this is really annoying. Wasn't that one? Wasn't that one? Might have been this one. Let's put it in this one for now. We'll see how it goes. Cosmo, hello. Hello, hello. This isn't going to be the most entertaining stream. I'm going to say that right off the bat. It's yeah, trying to get this stupid Roblox moderation thing passing. Looking for studio. Iron Boy! Yes. Hello, Iron Boy, or Cosmo, as you'll now know. Hello. Hello, hello. I'm looking for studio. Okay. I go to, where is it, where is it, where is it? I just had it open. This one, I think. Okay. I hate this new studio design, but we'll get used to it eventually. Oh look, it's Dr. Grimm. Look, there's Dr. Grimm. So apparently this guy is a problem. So let's do... yeah, Blocked Up is not currently in the works because life for me has just been chaotic. It's not completely abandoned, but it's almost abandoned. Let's go to that, let's go to that, let's go to that, I think. There we go, that's better. Do 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 do. Let's put on some background music, shall we? Bum, bum, bum. Not important right now. Let's have a look and see what's on this ground. Redeem Doctor.
Bingle bongle, dingle dangle, yickety doo, yickety da, ping pong, lippy tappy too ta.
I don't know why I've got two of these. I hope there's some difference between the two. It's gonna be a little pain for me. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. We are looking for something, don't you see? Long time no see, it has been, and I am trying to get this thing working. Jingle bells, jingle the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in the one horse open sleigh. Right. That's the same. Okay. I don't know. One has initial poses and one doesn't. I am... Right, let's copy that one. Let's position this into 0. Excuse me. I'm trying to get this thing to pass validation. So if I... how do you do it? Is it avatar now? Set up. Is it set up? I think it's set up. I extend this out. Here we go. Thank you very much. Validating avatar. If you tell me that this passes validation, then I don't know what Roblox is on about and why it no longer passes validation. Okay, 3 warnings. See details. Cannot detect smile expression. Please adjust cage landmarks. Cannot detect frown expression. Cannot detect mouth open expression. Please adjust cage landmarks for mouth to match where the mouth on the head is on the head, and make sure it can open. So it's the mouth that's being a pain. Why can't it detect? You have first... I don't know what that means, but okay. Right, let's switch back to Blender. There's something about this mouth cage it doesn't like. Let's make that 0.5 for now. I bet it's that outer layer, isn't it? If I have a look at the video,
In this case, the validation tool is unable to use your cage to project all 18 expected landmarks. This is
it is the outer layer. Thank you so much. Oh. There we go. So we've got the X mirror on, good. I really miss... I never played it, so I wouldn't know. Sorry. That was never really my sort of thing. If I turn that off, I can see this one go. this fixes it, I'm gonna be a little bit annoyed. Why? Let's make that 0.5 again. Just to be sure. I think what I'll do is I'll move that in just a little bit. Yeah. Z. Just enough. What I'll do is I'll make this. No, I won't. Make that 1. If this is all that's needed, then Roblox Assistant's stupid. We all know it's stupid. Well, it did get approved, and then it got declined afterwards, and it's just a load of annoying. How is it? Is that then add wireframe? Good, that's what we want. Then let's go for inner cage, which needs to match exactly. Let's put this onto vertex. That goes to that one. This one then goes there. This one then goes to there, and then this one goes to here. There. There's mirrors on, let's fix that. Except for this one's not right. IncrediPoints, yes. Nice, nice, nice. If this... Let's just have a look at this. Where on... That's the wrong thing. On this one, so we've got center bit 1, not 2, 3. And 1 to there. Center bits, which is this one, 1, not 2, 3. Ooh, that's horrible. Can we just temporarily view wireframe this? Yeah, that will go to one of those two. That will go to that one, hopefully. This will go to... there. So it ideally goes to one or both of these. That will go to one of those. This one will go to one of those. Not 2, 3. Yeah, that should be fine. Is it? I don't really follow any of that sort of stuff, but oh, I think. I need to turn wireframe on that. And then we've got outer cage, which needs to snap, snap. Those is the only thing for the eyebrow outer cage that needs to change. How's that going to work if the head gets updated but the eyebrows don't? Oh well, we'll see. Honestly, this took me so long to get all of this done. Yeah. Let's do colour. Or colour. Oh no. Now if this works, I will be pleased and we can end the stream hopefully and set up a new one, but if it doesn't, I won't be surprised. I really won't be surprised if this doesn't work. Let me save this. Number 11. honestly, one of the most difficult bits of this was trying to get this head cage to work with a massive gaping hole. So I sort of cheated and added a fake invisible section there. It's too small to see in game, but it's big enough for Roblox to register as a key point. Anyway, let's have a look and see. Right. Landmark. Detecting animations. So now I need to remember it's control. No, it's A, select all, file, export, FBX, UGC bundle, export, selected objects, scale, geometry, armature, animation. Export 12, even though it's number 11. Gingerbread man. Export. Export 12. Go. Fingers crossed this works. I've not got much left for it. Let's go here. Close out of that and switch to Studio. Do 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 ma do ba do 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 ba. 10 back. Then character setup animation. Where is it import? Where is import? Is it model? No, there was. Is it that? No. Setup accessory. How do you import in this? Home. Assets toolbox. Import. There we go. I hate this new Studio UI. Right, let's have a look and see. Not that one. Is it meshes? Where did I have this? And it's export 12. One, two, three, two, two, three, three, two, three, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh, what? Head geo. What's the warning? Face controls. And only 40. Oh, that's fine. Well, let's. Oh, did I get rid of the ginger? Oh, I'm getting a lag spike. Man. Wait a minute. Sorry, this is messed up. Rig and roll off of the. Oh, hang on. Oh, I need to remember what. What was the scaling for this? Because there was a scaling, and I can't remember what it was. Because I know it wasn't normal one. I'm looking. Oh, what's it called? It's that docs. Search. What on earth is this? Search. Avatar. Somewhere. Avatar. There we go. 3D layered clothing. Characters. Specifications. Geometry. So, I need. I need to remember which scale this. Right, so max size is. Hang on. Where's it gone? Where's it gone? That one. Edge 8.6. So we're looking for the X to be 8.6. So this is normal 8.6 by 9.5 by exactly 2. 8.6, 9.5, 2. Why is that 2? So there's normal, slender, and classic, which in Studio is classic is default, Arthro is normal, and Arthro narrow. So it's Arthro I want. 8.6, 9.5, and 2.25, but whatever. So, okay. So I want Arthro. Right, so I need to change that to Arthro. Wait for it to lag out. Arthro. Animation general, fine. File transform, nothing. File geometry, nothing. Scale units, stud. Merge meshes, no. Invert, no. Definitely an arthro. No. Gingerbread man, me, add to workspace, insert using scene position. No. No, use cages. Import. Fingers crossed this works. Does this want to work? Import Q, 91%. I don't actually know if you can hear the music when I switch out of Blender. Failed to grant game permission to use asset. Why? I think I've got a slight, I don't know, lighting, depth of field. Let me see if I do that, then copy one of my light orbs, which I know I have somewhere. Okay. So the textures have loaded. Terrain, details, where's details? Decoration. Right, so select this one, then do avatar, setup, close this bottom thing, eyebrow, sure, close that, waiting for validation. Do 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 do. Can you not hear me? Dun, 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 dun. Yep, you can. Okay. Do 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 do. Blimey, this takes so long to load. Validating avatar. We are validating the avatar. Waiting 30 years for it to load. Oh no. Eyebrow. Oh no, hang on. Hang on. If I, Gingerbread Man, grab the eyebrow accessory from this to paste into here, delete that one. Doesn't actually see details. Rerun the validation. Copy the body colors across, paste that into that. Because I forgot to do that. Ba-da-ba-da-ba. So, hang on, I don't know if you can even hear the music. I'm going to stop it. What happened that I need to fix it? So, I've not done anything wrong, really. It's Roblox has updated their validation, and apparently the mouth on this wasn't finding the cage mesh, wasn't finding the mouth correctly. So if you go back in the stream, you'll see I've updated the section of mouth that has the cage mesh over the top of it. Don't know if I can head wrap target, cage mesh ID, copy that. Let's do insert object, mesh part. Oh, you, okay. I'll just do this for example. So this is the page mesh that I've got now. And if I look at this old one, head, wrap target, copy that. Paste in the old cage mesh. It's very hard to see the difference, but basically this outer ring that I've got, I've made it a smaller outer ring so it overlaps the pink bit instead of outside the pink bit on the face. I think that makes sense. Ooh, this avatar can be used. That's good news. So, next I need to figure out how on earth. So yeah, basically I've just shrunk the cage mesh of the mouth. It's a really weird thing, but that's what Roblox needed me to do. So then I just need to find character. No, I need to find the email with how to do it. Hello, IncredibleTeam Maiden. As part of the Catalog Asset Update Initiative, blah blah blah, we are no longer supporting your designs. Because we don't actually care about imagination, we care about systematic, exact copy-paste, blah blah blah. It doesn't actually say that. You've been identified as a creator of one or more dynamic head assets that need to be updated during this campaign, blah blah blah. Here you need to fix this avatar. For creators with more than 5 head assets that need updating, we will send you a separate email listing all the remaining assets in decreasing order of how frequently they are equipped. Update options. Creators have the following options to update their non-compliant heads, blah blah blah. Heads that are 3D humanoids with well-defined avatar auto setup. Right, manual update process. Here, these are the instructions on the update process. Right. Manually update catalogue heads. Let's go to that and read through. Manually updating catalogue heads. The following content applies to creators with received a notice that has no longer passed dynamic head validation. This document is intended to update frequently to include latest information, blah blah blah. If your head assets you need to update. So, revalidate, checked. Revalidate. Oh, it's just a step by step. Open new GLTF export. Oh. Why GLTF? Why? Run the following script in the command bar. Asset service. Just verify. Okay, blah blah blah. Export your head or copy or body bundle. Oh, so that's to down. Right, okay. So I don't actually need to do that because I actually saved the stuff that I had. Okay. Import your fixed. Yeah, provide the asset ID. Right. Let's have a look at this bit. Provide the asset ID of your updated head. Use the following steps to provide Roblox with the updated asset ID. Place your head with. Use the link to the web form in the email notification file. You will be asked to enter your sake, legal requirement. Can't bypass. So it's just a way of getting people's date of birth. What a load of rubbish. You can submit multiple times. We'll use your last submission as the final version to update. Oh, okay. Import FBX. I'll fix. The easiest way, save to Roblox on your asset. Select avatar. Right. If it's only the head that needs updating, is there a way? Cancel the save operation so you don't. Okay, so select that and do right. Save to Roblox. Let's go Studio. Avatar item, body. Done. Right. So Gingerbread man, blah blah blah. Validating. If it doesn't like this validation, I'd be a bit surprised. No, I don't want it as generated AI nonsense. Just waiting for it to work. While I wait for this validation check to work, let's have a pineapple beat. Oh no, never mind. Validation succeeded. Cancel. Don't want to discard. We don't need. Right. Oh, you saw nothing. That's there. Right. Then. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? If your head passes out, which it does. Select save to Roblox on your asset. Select development item. Right. So. Scenes. Where is it? What I could do. That. Then go to that. Okay, so select save to re-import. No, where is it? Save to Roblox. Gingerbread man description don't need. Right. Make sure your head. If your head part of validation, select save to Roblox development item model creator me. Gingerbread man updated for blocks revalidation nonsense. Can't put that because they'll ban me. Oh! Revalidation. If your head passes validation, publish. Select asset category to model. Model creator me. I can't change asset privacy without going to there. Save. After saving, set asset privacy permissions. Configure. How do you change permission? Try in Roblox. No. Asset privacy. Default asset privacy is in beta. Default settings are only uploaded. Okay. Refresh. Configure. Well, I can't. It literally won't let me change that. Oh, for goodness sake! Oh, you have to re-upload after registering. Rubbish. Right. So, save, export, save to Roblox. Development item model. Creator. Oh, I probably have to close this, don't I? Right. Do. Cancel. Card. And all tasks. Reopen Studio. Ignore. Open. Agent store. Login. Right, we have. Oh, blow you. Right, hang on. Got a load of stuff I need to. Um, right, humanoid. Let's copy this humanoid. This one. Accessory. Let's bring it to. Because if it works, I might be able to. Oh, I deleted it, didn't I? Might be able to rename this to Gingerbread. Gingerbread man eyebrows. Remove that. Humanoid root part. 2, 2, 1. 2, 2, 1. Yeah, that looks the same. We don't really need the initial poses, so what I'll do is move that 3. Okay. 3. Hey, that worked. Almost. There we go. Then Gingerbread Man, initial poses. We don't need the initial poses anymore, I don't think. Yeah, that is like that. It was just a perspective, and anyway, what was I doing? I was looking at that Gingerbread Man, hiding that one. It's a shame that the metallic bit on that didn't fully go metallic, but you know, whatever. Humanoid. Just to be safe, because we know what Roblox is like, let's do a setup. Rerun this validation on this guy. Wait for 5 million years for this clock to turn into a different icon. We have body colors on this one. Got gingerbread man eyebrows, got humanoid. Let's give it some jackets. Let's give it some hair. No, not that one, because it doesn't that one. There we go. Yeah, the caging on that hair is a little, to say the least. Whoa. Let's give it some shoes, boots. Slip-on shoes. Yeah, alright. Kinda works. Validation passed. Good. Skirts. Let's give it a long, shiny skirt. That's the sort of shine I was hoping on the nails, but clearly that didn't happen. Right, good. Happy with that. Let's do Gingerbread Man. Save to Roblox. Boom, boom. Development item. Model. Creator. Me. Still doesn't let me change that. What do I call this? I call this... What did I name the other one? That. Gingerbread Man updated for revalidation. Me. Save. Close that one. Need it. Then we have asset privacy. Only default settings are only applicable. Default settings are applicable only to. What you're telling me? I need to completely re-import. Missions. Version history. You're joking. don't know how. It's not letting me. What is... I mean, yeah. No, isn't. I think it's telling me I need to re-import. Which is a little bit annoying. Man. Number 12. Gotta go through all this again. Parsing files. Waiting 5 million years. Right, Gingerbread, space, man, Big General, Arthro, animation bar, Gingerbread, man, scene. Imported now. Thank you very much. On this side. Import. This is taking way too long to get this thing done. Right, so let's bring this old one over. What's the way to group as a folder? Control-Alt-G. Right, this Gingerbread Man, let's have a look at, see what we've got in store. Body colours, we copy over. Paste into there, that's good. Let's lose the... no. Let's not lose the initial poses because it likes to play up. Get that one. We go body color humanoid. Close this annoying thing. Humanoid. What's different? This humanoid has none. That none. That. Where's hip height? Hip height 3217. 3217. Fine. Body colors. I haven't got the eyebrow added. Right. We go there, we go avatar, setup, eyebrow, correct. Okay. Then, because it's going to fail validation, let's close that for now. We do that, we go to there, go there, we go. Copy that name, go here, eyebrow, great. Eyebrow, we get eyebrow accessory wrap layer. Go here, which has head wrap target. That's the same. So then we do face front attach. Face front attachment. Copy. Oh no, hang on. This one. As opposed to that one. Is that working? Let's have a look. Oh, hang on. Why is there an original? We want that information into this one. Works. What? What? Gingerbread man eyebrows. Oh, that's just the pivot, isn't it? And then if we put that one, that's just put Okay. So that's that. Gingerbread island, that player, surface appearance, fine. The new thing's been applied there. Gingerbread man, humanoid head. Again, interesting pivot position, but same for that. Humanoid body colors. Body colors. Right. Body colors that fawn brown. Humanoid. Humanoid. Why are there two status? I don't think it's two status. Two one. Rich. Accessory description, body part. And then I don't know what the status is. That because this honestly no idea what status is. Sure. Well, let's do that. Set up. Run the validation on this one, hoping that it decides to work. In the meantime, let's give it a face check. Ooh. Dialogue. I'm surely ooh 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 yeah, there's a little bit of an issue occasionally, but you know what? I can't be bothered to fix it. Eyebrows. Eyes. Right, that's coming up okay. And then we select this. Gingerbread Man. Save export, save to Roblox. Choose one model. Now, if this doesn't work, then I'm going to be rather annoyed. Push. Right, so updating for version, model me. It doesn't allow me to change it there, which is a little bit annoying and a little bit worrying. But it says set asset privacy. How do you change asset privacy? I don't see. Status of sale. Okay, save. Uploading. Go to that. Still doesn't work. I don't know what to do. Only you and those with permission. But this is newly uploaded. What is it on about? Permissions, collaborators, experiences, version history. Configure. Yeah, it just does not want to allow me to make this. Well, it's not letting me change the thing. So I don't know what it's on about. Set asset privacy to public. Default value is private. I can't change it. It doesn't let me change it. After saving to Roblox, save the asset ID provided. While you can submit either the head or body asset, there is no distinction between body asset and saving it. Permission to perform. Okay, sure, whatever. I don't know. Copy. Close. I don't know if you can see that. If I now go to that, submit your new asset ID. This form is unique to this asset. Okay. Hide my own fixed version of the asset. How to make it public if it doesn't allow me. This is the same video that I've watched. Oh, I don't know. This asset must be made public, but you can't make it public if you don't allow me to make it public. Stupid. Asset ID of the model, which is this. Let me check. Version 3 doesn't allow me to make it public. If you're telling me I need to go through every single part of this public. Let me just try doing it on here, see if that makes any difference whatsoever. No, even doing it like that doesn't want to. This is getting annoying. It literally does not allow me to. Mhm. Okay, looks like I have to do this the most annoying manual way possible. Initial poses, gingerbread eyebrows, gingerbread eyebrows. Ugh. Right. Copy that. Go to there. Go to there. Open news. Yes. Surface appearance. I hope, for my own sanity, this. Yes. Good. Oh, what a pain this is to do manually. Why is this being such a pain? I want it to change. Why do they not think about the humans too? If this doesn't work, then they cannot be annoying like this. The problem with R15 is that it just takes forever to know. The problem with R15 is there's more than just 15 parts now. It's time to do the Inkly dance. Look around and around and slam on the ground. Cha-cha-cha and slide to the left. Now let me see you do your best. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hear your Inkly roar. Take a steady stance. This is the Inkly dance. It's time to do the Include dance. Look round and slam on the ground. Cha-cha-cha and slide to the left. Now let me see you do your best. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's hear your Include roar. Take a steady stance. This is the Include dance. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Right, I think / hope that is everything within it, but its mesh and image dependencies have their own privacy settings and may not be created. Very important for a new or opting wish to restrict access to content, but it doesn't let me change it. Say I go to this, which I know well, if I do this, that's technically published, isn't it? Right. If you choose to provide your own fixed version of the asset, please make sure your head access part of the application. It does. Instructions on how to do it. I will just double check. Yeah, that. Please make sure your head asset has it. Yeah. Will you? I hope you notify me. Okay, well, we've done that, so I just hope that I hope that's all sorted, because if not, we may never have this gingerbread man again. Which is a bit of a shame. Let's put that into service because we don't need that on the client. Hello, Dr. Grimm. Hello, Hayden. Mega Squad Low. Let's do this now. Okay. By the way, I'm my UGC. Yeah. Anyway, I think that's going to be the end of the stream. So thanks for joining. See you next time. Bye. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da-ba-ba.